how to enable app lock on Vivo. So if you want to enable app lock on your Vivo, then first you need to open up your settings. Once you're here on the settings, you need to scroll down, and here you will have privacy option and the security. Simply tap on the security, and under security you may have an option of privacy and app encryption. So tap on app encryption, and then you need to verify with your fingerprint, or you can use your password. And after that you need to tap on app encryption, and once you tap on that, here you will have app lock time. So you need to simply toggle that on, in which you would like to add the app lock. Once you've choose, now go back, and then you can choose your CapCut. So I've just added CapCut lock, and once you tap on CapCut, here it will ask you to verify with your fingerprint or use your password. So enter the password and it will take you to the CapCut. So that's how you can lock apps on your Vivo. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.